Take command of the road in the 2015 Toyota Tundra. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features 4-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.